Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix new building bug Chapter 6 update, updated. Open the build menu, select the affected structure, and apply the patch steps below. Start by replicating the issue consistently so you know when it is fixed. Keep backups and clear caches before testing. Work methodically and note each change so you can revert if needed. Step 1. Clear caches and verify integrity to eliminate simple causes and avoid wasted effort. Next, replace any corrupted assets with clean client files while keeping backups. Then apply the community hotfix or official patch, following installation notes precisely. Restart the game and reproduce the bug after each step. If the issue persists, document error logs and move on to mod and save file checks for targeted troubleshooting. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh, focused ride to and from your gaming sessions. It smells great and keeps your car pleasant after long patching marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If basic fixes fail, dig into saved data and inspect building entries for malformed values that break placement routines. Disable mods sequentially and retest to identify conflicts altering game behavior. Use debug logs and the console to capture error traces during placement and updates, noting exact error codes and steps that trigger them. Create a clean test saved to confirm fixes before merging changes back to your main game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.